Maximizers, welcome back to my channel. My name's Crystal. I'm a money savings coach, and I'm here to help you be intentional with your money so you can make progress on your big financial goals. Y'all, it's been almost 3 weeks since I decided to quit and take a break from YouTube, but I did say that if I do some amazing hauls, I will share those with you. I'm at BJ's right now, and I'm also gonna go to Walgreens, so the Walgreens video will probably be up before this video. And I wanted to show y'all a BJ's stock up haul. We haven't done a big haul at BJ's in a couple of months. We have our needs list from the refrigerator, and we wrote out everything that we want. There's probably going to be a couple $100 food haul, and then there's a couple household items like Dawn Power Wash and some sponges we need to get. I'll show you a little bit in store, but when we get home, I'll just go through everything we got, why we need it, put it away, and chat it up with y'all. But I'm super excited to be recording this because we are low up in our house, so let's go. I told Bae we officially reached the grown-up status, y'all, because we got to the damn BJ's. We just dropped Kinsley off for her last day of school. BJ's opened at 8. I think we pulled up at like 7:50, 55, and he was like, dang, they're not even open. I said, I know, baby, they're not open. So the people were lined up. We didn't line up, but people were lined up, and I was like, this is honestly the best time to shop, y'all. Ain't a soul in here. It's beautiful. Well, besides the people that was lined up. Y'all, this cart is so daggone full. Like, so full. We got a lot of stuff. So I'll go through all the coupons and stuff that we use when we get home. But I did go in the BJ's app, and I've been clipping coupons as we have been throwing stuff in the cart. Well, I clipped a lot at home, but this is all the coupons we shall be using. Like, there's so many. So I did not bring the cart in to show you all. I mean, I didn't take a picture of our 2 carts, but I did show you at the register. I recorded on my other phone that our total was $460 before coupons, $430 after coupons. We came back to get wine and liquor. So the Roscato is $9.99, and I have $1 manufacturer coupons, which makes it $8.99. And then there's this Clorox toilet bowl cleaner that I'll show you when we get home. It's a 6-pack for $9.99, and there's a $2.50 coupon. Okay, which is insane. So it's literally gonna come out to like $7.50 for a 6-pack. We're gonna need help with the liquor anyway. So I was like, we have to get it. It's a 6-pack of toilet bowl cleaner. Like, we have to get it. So we came back for that, and then we're gonna go grab some tequila as well because it's Memorial Day weekend, and I'm gonna get this video up as soon as possible for y'all to see it. But I'm super excited, so let's go home. I know I said I would see y'all at home, but I lied. One of my favorite deals to do at BJ's when it comes to liquor is on this Jose Cuervo. So it says if you buy 2 silver or gold, you get $10 off. So they are $27.99 each. So we get $5 off of each one, making it $22.99 each. So we'll pay less than $50 for 2 big old bottles of Jose. And with it being Memorial Day weekend, this is perfect. So whenever they have this deal, we go ahead and grab it. So we're going to go ahead and grab our 2 bottles of Jose, and it's going to be margaritas all freaking weekend. Oh my goodness. First, I haven't done a YouTube video in a while, so your girl's like, ooh, excited. And second, I was trying to figure out why my tripod ain't working, but it looks like my little grippy thing is gone. So I'm going to need to go get my second tripod. Third, this is what over $500 worth of food looks like. So let's just dig into this. So let's start over here. Bae is brand loyal and bougie to Fiji, and because he paid for pretty much most of this stuff, you know, we let him get whatever the heck he wants. So he got 3 cases of Fiji water. We got the ramen cup of noodles, the Nissan ones, for shrimp, and then we got the top ramen chicken because that's his favorite. We grabbed the Welch's juice, and we grabbed a 40-pack of the BJ's brand water. I didn't have any coupons for any of these things. I was so sad because sometimes we get like a $40 Fiji coupon. And I'm going to do a separate TikTok video of me putting all this food away, so stay tuned for that. So we did do 3 trips in to BJ's. We did the big trip, and then we went back and into the store, and we got this Roscato rind. It's $9.99 at BJ's, and I had $1 manufacturer coupons that were hang tags from my previous bottles. So we got these for $8.99, which was a sweet deal. While we were inside of there, because y'all probably like, girl, we got this 6-pack of Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. Y'all, so the toilet bowl cleaner was $9.99 for a 6-pack, which was already a great deal. But we had a $2.50 coupon, which took it from $9.99 to $7.49 for 6 of them. So that makes them just a little over $1 and some change each, whereas one of these at Walmart is close to $2. I told Bae we had to grab that. So that's how we got that Clorox. And then we went to the liquor. We're going to go over the big stuff, I promise. We went to the liquor side, and they have the Jose Cuervo. When you buy 2, you save $10. So these are $27.99 each, and I think I talked about this in store, but it's such a good deal. So they come out to $22.99 each plus tax, which is amazing. So why spend $30 on one when our final cost at the register was $50 for 2? So with tax, these came out to about $25 each, and their regular price $27.99. So I thought that was amazing. So now let's just go through everything else that you already saw us buy, and we'll start with the kitchen. This Lysol, we had like a $3 Lysol coupon, so that was great. We got the Dawn Power Wash. We had a $2 coupon. So this went from $9.99 to $7.99 for 3 of them. This is a great deal because one of these is $4.99. We got these Scotch Brite sponges. Bae loves to use sponges. When we first moved in here back in September, we bought a pack of these, y'all, and we just ran out. Because he doesn't use them all the time, but we use them in combination with like dish towels. And I was like, that lasted us almost a year. So we only have to buy these maybe twice a year. And we had like, I think a $2 or $3 coupon for that. I'll scroll through the coupons, but my other phone's dying, so I put it on the charger. We got, Bae loves this shrimp, so we got a pack of this shrimp, and we had a coupon for that. We grabbed the sweet corn. We didn't have any coupons for that, but we love this corn. We grabbed triple cheddar cheese. And I would just encourage you to scroll through your BJ's app and clip any coupons. We had got a bag of green bell peppers. We go through bell peppers, mushrooms, and onions so much, so we got a lot of that. We got this Parmesan cheese that we can shred ourselves. We got celery. We got sweet bell peppers. We got me some ranch dip. Bae is so bougie, but he likes the deli sliced cheese, so we got this, and we had like a $2 coupon for the cheese. We got a 3-pack of Simply Fruit Punch, and we got the Simply Lemonade. We had got a big old 10-pound, because these are each 5 pounds, of the pancake mix. And this is good until March 2023. So it's almost good for a year, y'all. So it's going to be great for us. This is going to last us a very, very long time. We got the Nor rice sides, and we had a coupon for those. So it's cheddar and broccoli and chicken. We got taco kits, and then all the way down there, you can see we got a big old thing of popcorn, okay? And all of this food will last us 2 to 3 months. Like, because it's a back stock of things that we like desperately needed. So we got baby cut carrots. Of course, they won't last 3 months. We got some Cajun andouille sausage, Angus beef frank hot dogs. We got the 2 for $8.98 chips, but we had $1 off, so they were $7.98. We got a big old thing of cheese balls. Kinsley and Bae and the damn cat be eating them cheese balls. Bae loves salmon. He makes salmon cakes, so we got a big old thing of salmon. We love mashed potatoes, and Bae makes them great from the pack, so he got an 8-pack of those. We got mandarin oranges and peaches, and then all the way down here we got a 12-pack of Campbell's chicken noodle soup, which is such a better deal at BJ's. We got the salsa, and then we like to have canned, fresh, and frozen veggies, because when times get rough, y'all, this comes out to be cheaper than fresh. Probably not as healthy, okay? But this is a 12-pack, and I think it was around like $9.99 if I'm not mistaken. And that's great because one can of vegetables at Walmart is like $1. So it is a great deal. I'm trying to see how much they are. Let's see. $10.99 for 12. $10.99 for 12, which I thought was a great deal, okay? We got yellow onions and red onions. These will last us at least like a month. We got Eggland's Best Eggs. These have a longer expiration date. We don't eat eggs as often. We got ketchup because we were super low on ketchup and we had a coupon for that. We got the spicy brown mustard. We got the French's mustard. And then we really needed some of our seasonings. So we got Old Bay. We got crushed red pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. It's been probably like 6 months since we bought onion powder and garlic powder. So we pay around $8.99 for these. And then we just refill the small ones, or we just use these. But this is like, we only have to buy it twice a year versus buying those little containers. We will buy those like almost monthly because Bay cooks a lot. And we got a big old giant thing of Hellmann's mayonnaise that's good until September. And we had coupons for all of that. So let me go ahead and show you the receipt. But I'm telling you that after coupons, we paid $526 for everything. So the liquor, the wine, $70 was just in water, y'all. We spent $70 in water. So I feel like we had a great day. And then I think my Eggland's Best coupon didn't come off, but you can see we had a $2 coupon for the shrimp. We had a $2 coupon for the hot dogs. We had a $1 coupon for the French's mustard. So literally $4.29 for 2-pack of mustard. And I'm going to pop up here on the screen. This is 230 ounces of mustard. I'm going to pop up here on the screen how much one thing of mustard is at Walmart. So you can see the comparison. Because like, why would we not pay $4.29 for this 2-pack? Okay. What else? See, the sliced cheese. So the deli cheese was $8.99 and we had a $1.50 coupon. I know that one of these 1 pounds at Walmart is close to $6. Okay, so we got it for 7, subtract 50. We got it for $7.49 and we got 2 pounds for $7.49. Such a better deal. The Hellmann's giant thing of mayonnaise, y'all. That big old thing of mayonnaise. It is 64 ounces. It was $7.79 and we had a $2 coupon. We got that for $5.79. Again, I'm gonna put the mayonnaise on the screen too because like, why not? Antibacterial 32 count. What is that? Antibacterial 32 count. I have no idea what that is. We had a $1 off coupon for it. Oh, it says antibac. Girl, that is the damn popcorn. We got 32. How many? 32 bags of popcorn. And it was for $8.99. Okay, we had a $1 off the Dole mandarin oranges and a $1 off the peaches. So that made them $7.99. As you can see right here, the Dole, it made them $7.99 each. And I know that a similar pack at Walmart is a little bit more expensive. Okay, I'm surprised though because I feel like we used to get 24. But I would buy 4 packs of these at Walmart for like $2 and change. But anywho, the last thing we had a coupon for was the Knorr rice sides. Okay, so they were $8.49 and we had a $1.50 coupon, which makes it $7. And we have an 8-pack, and these are a little over $1 each at Walmart. So we saved $1 versus the Walmart price. So I encourage you to always do your math. The pick and pack for the chips, like I told y'all, we had a $1 off. The ketchup, $8.49 for 3 things of ketchup, and we had a $2 off coupon, which makes it $6.49 or $2 and some change for, how big is this? A 44-ounce ketchup. I'm gonna put that up on the screen as compared to Walmart as well. Our sponges were $14.99. We had a $3.50 coupon. So that makes them like $11.49 for 21 sponges. The Lysol, $13.99 with a $3 coupon. Makes it $10.99 for 3. I know for sure at Walmart, one of these is close to $5, if not $6. So at Walmart, we would have spent that $15. Whereas at BJ's, we only spent $11.99 for all of them. So it's almost like buy 2, get 1 free. And then same with our Dawn Power Wash, $9.99 with a $2 off coupon. Okay, $9.99 with a $2 off coupon, and we paid $7.99 for it. One of them is close to $5. Okay, so let me know down in the comments. I did not mean for this video to be this long, but let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. How much are you spending on groceries? This is a stock up for us. You will not see another big BJ's haul like this. What is it, May? Probably not until at least the end of July, early August. We won't do a big haul like this. Any other hauls we'll do will be like $100 here, $100 there. But this was needed to get us for our back stock. Okay, so I want to thank y'all so much for y'all love and support. I appreciate each and every one of you. I haven't announced this publicly yet anyway, but I am going to be having a masterclass in June that's going to be about how to save $100 on your groceries, and I would love to have you there. So just check back to my channel. I'll definitely post over here so you can sign up for that masterclass, and I can teach you my tricks of the trade so that you can save $100 on your groceries in the next couple of weeks. So stay safe out there as you are shopping, and as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.